Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and to my first video. Sorry about that. It's your boy Jake, and today we are playing Angry Birds Transformers, as you can see right over the map. Actually, I have never go for. So, and I did the beginners one, so let's see. The Eggbots have captured Bumblebee. Up 60 pigs to rescue him. Okay, so rescue Bumblebee. Let's go. Hey, make a level. Let's go. Let's go. Is this the one with the tiki thing? I'm going to 10 last minutes. Is this the one that target practice. Okay, another one. Target practice. Bang. Just for money. Bang. Boom, 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 boom. How long is the boy? Get wrecked. Bang, just for fun. Whoa, that almost hit me. I don't know why I didn't do it with you first. That's kind of annoying. Bang. Get wrecked. Bang, get wrecked. Stop. Okay, let's go. Let's run. Run as fast as tiny robot legs can go. As fast as tiny robot legs can go. Imagine seeing a Transformer in real life. That would be cool. Then you would be driving around with him, but I wonder if it would actually kill you. I don't know. Robots in the usual days are not as I expect them to be. I'll say that for one. Boom. Do you have enough for Bumblebee? 5 more again. Guys, I've played onto this before, so I kind of know what's going on. Wait, why can't I go? Whoa, no. Do us. Step on it right there. Yep, you got it. Yeah, float. Let's do that again. could have just stayed there for days. There's movement. There's nice. I want that TNT. If you could just wait for it, bang. Go trick shot, super. Bang. Why would you have it facing that way? Okay. Oh no. People under structures these days. Yeah. Okay. So, are we're ready to collect the Bumblebee. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. Finish it. Okay. Nice. Got him. Bang with the bang with the boom. Contain. Oh, he punched it. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. I think that's enough for now. So that's it. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. That is Jake signing out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See y'all in the next one.